In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up as a property manager on Zillow step by step. Whether you're new to property management or just want a seamless experience on Zillow, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and get you set up in no time. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Zillow.com. It's important to ensure you're connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Once you're on the Zillow homepage, make sure your login details are handy. If you already have an account, this is the time to log in. However, if you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one by clicking on the Join option and filling in your basic information. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top of the page for the option that says Manage Rentals. It's usually found in the main navigation bar. Clicking on this will open up a host of options tailored towards managing rental properties. This section is designed to streamline your property management tasks in an organized fashion. Following that, you'll be looking for an option labeled Zillow Rental Manager. This is a crucial step. It's where you'll start your journey into managing your properties effectively. The Zillow Rental Manager is a comprehensive tool that will become your best friend in handling rentals on Zillow. When you click on Zillow Rental Manager, you should see a button prompting you to get started for free. Clicking this option will lead you into the registration or onboarding process so that you can enjoy all the features Zillow has to offer without any immediate cost. This free access will allow you to better evaluate whether Zillow suits your management style and needs. Next, you will need to fill out some information during this onboarding process. Make sure you have property details, personal information, and any necessary documents at hand to fill out the required fields. This is your chance to add some initial data about your properties. So, take your time to ensure accuracy to avoid any future hiccups. Once completed, you'll now have access to your very own Rental Manager dashboard. This is the central hub for all your property management activities. In this dashboard, you'll find tools that allow you to oversee your properties, tenants, and more with ease. From your dashboard, one of the useful features you can immediately take advantage of is sending alerts. This capability helps keep communication lines open between you and your tenants, ensuring everyone stays informed about important updates or reminders. Additionally, you'll find an option here to add new properties. This feature is particularly helpful if you're managing multiple locations, allowing you to expand your presence and manage them all under one roof, digitally speaking. And that wraps up our guide to signing up as a property manager on Zillow. With these tools and know-how, you're well on your way to managing your properties more efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.